Make sure it's in there tight. And then I'm just going to grab one clamp. One person can do this. It's easier if two people do it, but so you put it up there where it goes, make sure it's seated well, and then if you just put one clamp on, you can then let go of it. Be careful if it's not on there right, this will fall and cut your fingers. I've done it. And just by holding the other clamp on, you put this clamp on and tighten these down. There again, on this clamp, you want to make sure you have the same gap in the back as you do the front. You don't want to bottom it out on one side or the other. Good and snug. Good and snug. Now we're going to put the hopper back on. As you're putting the hopper back on, you want to make sure this clamp isn't holding the hopper from getting in its final spot, and I'll show you how to do that. So what I do is I make sure these portions fit on first. So I just slide the hopper in and put it on those portions there. Okay, and then I come around and I make sure this clamp assembly, see how this clamp assembly is kind of in the way now? So I just want to make sure that's out of the way so it'll clamp properly. So make sure it's out of the way and this goes in its proper spot. Then I put the big clamps on the legs. So then I know it's in the proper spot. Okay, and then I center the elbow where it goes on the pump, and then I use the clamp to pick it up. Once it's clamped into place, you can just shake the elbow to make sure it goes all the way up. Then you just tighten that upper elbow clamp that you did before. Put your pin back in your clamp. And you're ready to pump. Now, as you're pumping, if yours has a relief valve throughout the day, you want to make sure and open that up and allow it to pump mud out to clear it out. Otherwise, you're going to have a plug in here of hard material if you don't do it throughout the day. That's it.